Okay, a huge development is coming in. The Enforcement Directorate has made charges against Rhea Chakraborty, claiming that Rhea and house manager Samuel Miranda were using Sushant Singh Rajput's funds for their own purposes. The Enforcement Directorate has gone on just in right now and claimed that Rhea had obtained Sushant Singh Rajput's PIN number from Samuel Miranda as well. The ED has also said that WhatsApp chats of Rhea and Samuel Miranda reveal procurement of weed worth 17,000 rupees from Shavik. This is a very important charge because the Narcotics Bureau is also headed to Mumbai to probe this entire drug angle in it. The WhatsApp chats, according to ED, reveal that drugs worth 17,000 rupees were procured by Rhea and Samuel Miranda from Shavik Chakraborty. The Enforcement Directorate claims that Rhea's conversation with talent manager Jaya Saha has also revealed that Jaya Saha delivered cannabis oil to Rhea to be mixed in Sushant Singh Rajput's coffee. But this one, in the CBD oil bit, there is a bit of a clarification that is required in terms of whether it was the legal bit or not, because there are some strains that are legal. That's the latest that is coming in right there. Divyesh is now joining us for all the very latest on this. Divyesh, if you could walk our viewers, some sensational charges coming in from Enforcement Directorate. The big one, of course, being that Rhea Chakraborty and Samuel Miranda bought weed worth 17,000 rupees. And this drug nexus is something that the Narcotics Bureau, which is headed from Delhi to Mumbai anytime now, they're going to be probing as well. So one way or the other, Rhea is caught in this entire web. Whether or not she's, she's been taken in by the CBI on the death angle or not, as far as the drug angle is concerned, she's got no escaping from that.
Yes, Jyoti, the disclosure by Enforcement Directorate while they analyzed chat messages between Rhea Chakraborty and various others associated in the case like Samuel Miranda, Shruti Modi, who were also questioned by the Enforcement Directorate, including Jayanti Saha, who's the talent manager working for Quant Talent Management. They found several chat messages where Rhea was speaking to people regarding narcotic drugs, regarding banned substances, while Jaya Saha in one message prescribes that CBD oil could be used to help Sushant relax and that would calm him down. That is what the message says. She also advised that 3 to 4 drops with tea or coffee to be given to Sushant Singh Rajput. But Jaya Saha, in her statement to Enforcement Directorate yesterday, when she was called for the second time, has said that it is a legal medication.
Divyesh, 1 second. I want you to clarify, as far as the Enforcement Directorate allegations are concerned against Jaya Saha as well, that she was the one who delivered the CBD oil to Rhea to be able to dispense it to Sushant. My question here is, was it full spectrum oil from cannabis leaves, which is legal, or was it pure CBD oil, which is illegal, which is made from bud and flower, is illegal? But if it was a full spectrum oil made from cannabis leaves, that is legal. The other point, of course, no escaping, is that the procurement of weed worth 17,000 rupees, that is absolutely illegal.
Cheti, one thing people have to understand, that CBD oil with a required percentage, which a particular percentage of cannabis extract is legal in India as well. It is used for medication. And Jaya Saha, in her statement to Enforcement Directorate, has clarified the same thing, that she was not dealing in this oil. She was the one who just suggested it to Rhea Chakraborty because she also had undergone depression. She was also under treatment for depression, for anxiety disorder, and that is why she had used this particular oil, and that is why she's suggested it to Rhea Chakraborty for Sushant Singh Rajput so that it could help him relax. Also, Jaya Saha in her statement has said that Sushant Singh Rajput was the person who initially shared with Jaya that he was not well. He was suffering from depression, anxiety disorder.
So we're going to let the ED probe all of this in terms of whether this particular oil that was a full spectrum oil, which was from cannabis leaves, and that is what was dispensed, or was it pure CBD oil, which is illegal as well? The ED will probe. The ED will also be probing the weed angle. Procurement of weed worth 17,000 rupees is the allegation now. So the spotlight is now on Rhea Chakraborty as to why she procured this illegal narcotic substances as well. I'm going to throw straight across to Nabila Jamal in the newsroom. Nabila is getting us all the allegations and the explosive and sensational details that we have just got from the Enforcement Directorate. Over to you, Nabila.
Shruti, the document that we've accessed, India Today has accessed from the Enforcement Directorate, actually makes some startling revelations here. Let's take you through quickly. Under the provisions of the PMLA Act, in fact, the PMLA Act shows that 2 mobile phones of Rhea Chakraborty's were cloned, and the analysis of the digital data there of these phones reveals several WhatsApp conversations of Rhea Chakraborty with persons, namely Samuel Miranda, who we've already accessed and shown, Shoubik Chakraborty, Deepesh Sawant, Jaya Saha, and even Gaurav Arya. These WhatsApp exchanges make some absolute revelations here, which the ED has pointed out in its document, and that is, after analyzing the conversation here between Samuel Miranda and Rhea Chakraborty, it's revealed that these 2 persons were working in close coordination and were using fund of Sushant Singh Rajput for their own purpose. Now, that's what this ED document here says. And in fact, further, also the ED in this document says that the conversation between Rhea Chakraborty and Samuel Miranda there shows that Rhea accessed the PIN of the debit card of Sushant Singh Rajput from Samuel. Now, going over to further statements made in this ED document, the WhatsApp conversation further reveals that Rhea Chakraborty was indulging in usage and procurement of narcotic substance, namely weed. Also, going on to say, this document says that this was illegal, and this conversation was had between Rhea and a few of the people, including Samuel Miranda, back in 2017 itself. And now the copies of the WhatsApp messages are also enclosed along with the letter. Now, for further clarity, these conversations between Rhea Chakraborty and Samuel Miranda dated 17/4/2020. And even on 5th of this year, in fact, on January 5th of this year, shows very clearly that Rhea Chakraborty has procured weed from Shoubik, and it amounts to 2 bags worth 17,000 rupees. This is what exactly the document shows. In fact, the conversations between Rhea Chakraborty and Jaya Saha dated 5/11/2019 is also very important here for the probe agencies, because this reveals that Miss Saha has delivered CBD, which is the cannabidiol, a chemical compound there of marijuana, which is more or less banned in India, but some parts it is legal depending on the concentration of the THC there. In fact, this CBD oil was delivered to Rhea Chakraborty, which was to be mixed in Sushant Singh Rajput's coffee. Now, this is exactly the revelation made by the Enforcement Directorate in its document,
and
which
you know
is
what?
so explosive.
We've got experts telling us that this is a prescription drug, and Ayurvedic practitioners need to give you a prescription in case you're trying to get any full spectrum oil, which is from cannabis leaves as well. So, of course, this was, whether there was a prescription or not, that is also not clear. But Nabila Jamal getting us all those details right there. In fact, what's legal in India are the full spectrum oils with CBD as one of the cannabinoids, and that's what's legal. But the startling revelation coming in from the Enforcement Directorate is the procurement of weed worth 17,000 rupees. That's the allegation that ED has made against Rhea Chakraborty. That's a big allegation, saying that Rhea Chakraborty indulged in procurement of narcotic substances and the use of narcotics substances. Nabila, thank you very much for getting us those explosive details from the Enforcement Directorate. She's got the copy right there. She's explaining to all our viewers as to how the ED has now got proof to nail Rhea down. Now, in an exclusive conversation with India Today, Rhea Chakraborty revealed what happened on the Europe trip with Sushant Singh Rajput in 2019. Rhea has told India Today that Sushant felt claustrophobic inside the flight and later had mental health issues due to awkward paintings at a hotel in Italy. She claimed that Sushant had largely kept himself confined in a hotel room during this Europe trip. Listen into a slice of that exclusive conversation.
You and Sushant in this relationship went to Europe together. आप दोनों साथ यूरोप चले गए थे. वहां ऐसे क्या हुआ कि सुशांत की तबीयत तब खराब होने लगी? कब से आपको पता चला? आप अप्रैल से उनके साथ थी. कब आपको पहले पता चला कि शायद सुशांत इज सफरिंग फ्रॉम डिप्रेशन, उनको डिप्रेशन, मेंटल सम काइंड ऑफ अ मेंटल प्रॉब्लम, पॉसिबली बाइपोलर जिसे कहते हैं, सुशांत को वो प्रॉब्लम है। कब आपको पता चला? उस यूरोप के ट्रिप पर?
जी, यूरोप के ट्रिप जाने वाले दिन सुशांत ने मुझे बोला कि, और सबको बताया कि उसको फ्लाइट में बैठने से बहुत क्लॉस्ट्रोफोबिया है और उसके लिए वो एक दवाई लेता है जिसका नाम है मोडाफिनिल, और उसके पास वो दवाई हमेशा रहती थी और उसने फ्लाइट जाने से पहले वो खुद ही ले ली। ही डिडंट इवन हैव टू गेट अ प्रिस्क्रिप्शन, उनको नहीं लेना पड़ा क्योंकि उनके पास ऑलरेडी वो दवाई थी। प्रोबेबली हर फ्लाइट से पहले वो लेते होंगे।
Okay, there's just breaking news coming in. Sushant's former girlfriend Ankita Lokhande has hit back at Ria's claim that Sushant was claustrophobic inside planes. Ankita has tweeted an old video of Sushant Singh Rajput inside the cockpit of a plane and piloting during its takeoff, asking if this is claustrophobia. She said for Sushant and I quote, "You always wanted to fly and you did it and we are all proud of you," unquote. So Ankita Lokhande and Rhea Chakraborty in a face-off with each other after Rhea Chakraborty made that claim on Sushant is being claustrophobic to my colleague Rajdeep Sardesai. Ankita Lokhande is taken to her Twitter claiming that Sushant was not claustrophobic. She has put out an old video of Sushant inside the cockpit of a plane piloting during its takeoff. And India Today has grilled Rhea Chakraborty, prime accused in the Sushant Singh Rajput case, now grilled by India Today. India Today's Rajdeep Sardesai has cornered Rhea Chakraborty on the charges of deleting Sushant Singh Rajput's hard drives, on charges of taking over Sushant Singh Rajput's finances and her messages to Mahesh Bhatt. Remember those back and forth messages that we reported first here on India Today? We'd exclusively access those, and all of this has been questioned by Rajdeep Sardesai. And Riyad's responded to each and every question to India Today. Listen in to a slice of that explosive interview and an exclusive one while at it.
एक खबर जो आ रही है कि सिद्धार्थ पिटानी जो उनके हाउसमेट थे, उन्होंने सीबीआई को यह जानकारी दी है कि जून 8 तक, ये सीबीआई सोर्सेस के जरिए, कि आपने आईटी वाले को बुलाकर हार्ड ड्राइव डिलीट करा दिया था। सुशांत भी वहां प्रेजेंट था। आपने ऐसा क्यों किया? क्या था? क्या हुआ? कोई ऐसी हार्ड ड्राइव है सुशांत के घर में जिनको आपने डिलीट किया?
दिस इज अ कंप्लीट बेसलेस एलिगेशन। देर इज नो हार्ड ड्राइव दैट आई एम अवेयर ऑफ। देर इज नो पर्सन, कोई घर में आके कुछ नहीं हुआ है जब तक मैं थी। मेरे जाने के बाद अगर उनकी सिस्टर 8 से 13 जो वहां थी, उन्हें ये सारी बातें पता होंगी। अगर ऐसा कुछ हुआ है, मेरे प्रेजेंस में ऐसा कभी कुछ नहीं हुआ।
तो यू वुड कन्फ्रंट सिद्धार्थ पिटानी ऑन दिस?
एब्सोल्युटली।
इट्स योर वर्ड वर्सेस हिज।
I don't believe he would have said something like this. I believe कि ये फिर से एक कहानी रची जा रही है, जैसे कि रोज एक नई कहानी रची जाती है जो कंप्लीटली बेसलेस होती है।
क्योंकि उस 8 तारीख पर कई, आपने तो अपने डिटेल्स में आज हमें बताया है, लेकिन ऐसा लगता है कि आपने फाइनल डिसीजन उस दिन ले लिया था, नो टर्निंग बैक। ये आपने कहा है, एक मुझे लगता है आपके व्हाट्सएप में शायद भट्ट साहब के साथ। क्या उस दिन आपने निर्णय लिया था कि अब सुशांत डिप्रेशन में हो, लेकिन मैं अब यहां नहीं रह सकती?
मैंने
क्योंकि उन्होंने आपको वहां से निकाला था, घर से।
जी, आई वॉज डेफिनेटली वेरी अपसेट एंड हर्ट। मुझे काफी बुरा लग रहा था कि उन्होंने मुझे कॉल बैक नहीं किया, उन्होंने मुझे वापस नहीं बुलाया। क्या इज इट ओवर फॉर हिम? इतना ही था कि अब मैं बीमार हूं तो आप नहीं चाहते मुझे? तो नेचुरली अगर आपको कोई भी ऐसा बोले, आपको बुरा तो फील होगा, लेकिन ये जो आप रेफर कर रहे हैं वो शायद इस कॉन्वर्सेशन से उसका कोई लेना देना है नहीं।
एक कहीं ना कहीं आप पर ये एलिगेशन और इसी से होता है कि आपने, जैसे मैंने पहले भी कहा, सुशांत को कंट्रोल कर रही थी और सब कुछ आप ही के जरिए हो रहा था। आपकी, उनकी स्टाफ, उनके पैसे, उनकी जिंदगी। जैसे आप एक साथ रहने लगी, आपने स्टाफ बदल दिया, उसके बाद सुशांत बदल गया या आप बदल गई, लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं उनके परिवार को आपने कट ऑफ किया। आपने क्यों ये सब बदलाव किए? स्टाफ को बदला, एक तरह से सुशांत की जिंदगी में आपने एक तरह से कंप्लीट कंट्रोल करवाया।
ये
दिसंबर 2019
ये
के बाद
बहुत ही बेसलेस एलिगेशन है। सुशांत के जो स्टाफ है पिछले 1.5 साल में और जो लोग उसके साथ रहते थे, सिद्धार्थ पिठानी, सिद्धार्थ पिठानी को मुझसे पहले से जानता था। जब मैं सुशांत के घर में आई तो सिद्धार्थ पिठानी ऑलरेडी सुशांत के साथ रहते थे। दूसरी मिरांडा जो उनके हाउस मैनेजर है, उनको सुशांत की बहन प्रियंका ने हायर किया सुशांत के लिए, और वो भी मेरे पहले थे।
तो सिद्धार्थ,
तीसरी उनके कुक केशव और उनके क्लीनर नीरज, इन सबको सुशांत, दीपेश को सुशांत पहले से जानते थे। मैं इन लोगों को जानती भी नहीं थी, सुशांत ने मुझे इन लोगों से मिलाया।
आपने इन स्टाफ वालों को हायर नहीं किया है?
बिल्कुल भी नहीं।
आप ये संदीप सिंह को जानती हैं, जिनका नाम बार बार उठ रहा है?
जी नहीं, ये
जो कहते हैं बड़े अच्छे दोस्त है सुशांत के।
तो कहाँ थे 1.5 साल तक? मैंने ना नाम सुना है उनका और ना कभी घर आए हैं। सुशांत के कॉल लॉग्स में भी आई गारंटी हूँ उनका कोई नाम नहीं होगा, कोई जिक्र नहीं होगा।
In a sensational confession by Sushant Singh Rajput's flatmate Siddharth Pitani, 8 hard drives were destroyed inside the house of the late actor after he and Rhea Chakraborty had a fight with each other on 8th of June. Pitani confessed to the CBI during his grilling that he was not aware about the content in the hard drive. In his confession, Pitani has said that an IT professional was there to destroy the hard drives and that both Sushant and Rhea were present in the room and were watching everything as well. It is still not clear yet who called the IT professional. However, the CBI sources are saying that Siddharth Pitani will be grilled further to reach to the truth.
As far as the hard disks being removed, that of course is a very serious issue, and if it was done one day before her leaving, on the day of her leaving, that shows that there was some planning going on for Sushant Singh Rajput, whether it was related to his planning his murder or to remove some evidence which could be used against her in future. That of course the investigation only will tell.
So let's get you a sense now. Let's get you a sense of who all were present on 8th of June. Rhea Chakraborty, who is Sushant Singh Rajput's girlfriend, questioned by the ED now. Siddharth Pitani, Sushant Singh Rajput's flatmate and content manager as well. He's confessed about the hard drives. Dipesh Sawant, who is Sushant Singh Rajput's house help. He's been questioned by the CBI. Neeraj, who happens to be Sushant Singh Rajput's cook, who's been questioned by the CBI. Divyesh is now going to be joining us for all the very latest on this, and the grilling is on as far as all the suspects are concerned and all the people who were in and around the house on 8th of June who were present right there. Rhea Chakraborty, Siddharth Pitani, Dipesh Sawant, Neeraj the cook. And, you know, it's still not clear what really transpired in the sequence of events that happened on 14th of June, because there were so many inconsistencies that were reported by the investigating agencies as well. And now you've got the Enforcement Directorate coming up with that entire narcotics charge, proving that 17,000 rupees was indeed spent by Rhea to procure narcotics. And you also have the Narcotics Control Bureau from Delhi to Mumbai making that particular trip to probe this particular angle. So there are several different angles in this story. There are several different suspects right here, all of them being grilled, and a complete probe is taking place by the investigating agencies, the top ones while added CBI and the Enforcement Directorate. And in fact, what you just saw right now, that interview of Rajdeep Sardesai with Rhea Chakraborty, that was just an excerpt. It was just the tip of the iceberg. The full interview is going to be aired at 7 p.m. The third sneak peek at 3 p.m. Stand by. It's India Today, exclusively getting you the interview with Rhea Chakraborty.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.